Welcome to today's interior design tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to transform your bathroom into a stunning Craftsman style oasis. We'll be using a variety of components to achieve that timeless and elegant look. So, let's dive right in. Before we start decorating, ensure your bathroom is clean and clutter-free. Remove any existing fixtures or accessories that you plan to replace. Craftsman bathrooms often feature warm and earthy tones. We've selected a color palette that includes rich browns, muted greens, and creamy whites. Let's start with the walls. Installing wainscoting is a hallmark of Craftsman design. Measure the height you want, cut the panels, and attach them to the wall using a nail gun. To enhance the room's elegance, we're adding crown molding and window trim. Measure, cut, and install these pieces around the room's perimeter and windows. Next, lay down the hardwood flooring. It adds warmth and complements the overall look. Make sure the planks are level and secure them in place. Now, let's work on the vanity area. Install the Craftsman style vanity cabinet, and then place the countertop on it. Secure them properly. Attach the undermount sink to the countertop, and install the Craftsman style faucet. Make sure everything is tightly sealed. Hang the framed mirror above the vanity cabinet. Ensure it's level and centered. Select your Craftsman style light fixtures. These fixtures often have stained glass or mica shades for that authentic look. Install the chosen light fixtures, ensuring they're evenly spaced and at the right height. Moving on to the bathing area, let's install the freestanding bathtub and the tiled walk-in shower. Make sure the plumbing is connected correctly. Add a built-in shower niche for storing your shower essentials. Measure and cut the niche, then tile it to match the shower walls. Don't forget proper ventilation. Install the exhaust fan to keep your bathroom fresh and dry. Install a storage cabinet, preferably with glass doors, to store towels and linens. It adds both functionality and style. Finally, hang towel bars, hooks, and the toilet paper holder in coordinating finishes. These small details complete the look. And there you have it. Your Craftsman style bathroom makeover is complete. The warm tones, wood accents, and attention to detail create a timeless and inviting space. Thanks for joining us today, and happy decorating.